बेरेस्तारा नवे वाडे हांगासर वास्को पुलिसांनी 21 वर्साच्या तरणाट्याक अटक करून ताचे कडल्यान सुमार 1.2 लाखाचो 1.2 किल गांजा जप्त केला। हो तरणाटो मूळ उत्तर प्रदेशातलो। बेरेस्तारा राती पुलीस पेट्रोलिंगाक राविल्ले कडेन ह्या तरणाट्याची हालचाल संशयास्पद दिसून आयली। ताची तपासणी करतकीच हो गांजा सापडलो। फुडलो तपास सुरू आसा।
So yesterday night when my library staff was maintaining patrolling in the New Garden area, they found one suspected person coming from Activa scooter. So accordingly they stopped him and conducted inquiry, where he was failed to give the satisfactory answers. After that they took the search of that person and also his vehicle. So in the dicky of the vehicle Activa, they found some contraband substance suspected to be ganja of 1.2 kg. So when they questioned him, he failed to give the satisfactory answer and also failed to produce the legal documents. So accordingly, he was brought at the police station and we booked him under NDPS Act. So in this connection, our further investigation is in progress and presently we will produce the accused before the magistrate and we will take the remand to ascertain the exact source of drugs and his connection with other persons.